Duo naman nina AZ at River ang humarap sa duo challengers.
Tinanong kami ni Kuya kanina kung may housemate ba na karapat dapat bumalik dito sa bahay. If you asked me that a few days ago, before the nomination, each and every one of you, without a doubt, I would have traded places with each and every one of you. No questions asked. But if you ask me now, sagot ko, sorry pero wala. For me, there's a reason why we're still here. There's a reason for me why you guys are no longer here. If it's God's plan, if it's the people outside, that's not in my control. That's not in AZ's control. That's not in any of our control, but the people outside.
We're gonna compete for our spot until the big night.
Do you think you have been a good example?
Yes.
Yung totoo, Easy.
I think I have been.
Why?
I've been so open inside this house to the point na I feel like I even overshare.
Paano ka naging nagpakatotoo sa akin? When you were right in front of me, you're a two-faced person. So paano mo nasasabi na magpapakatotoo ka? Are you even happy to see me right now? Do you saying I love you all? Do you love me? No, you don't. I know you.
Siguro ganun talaga yung naramdaman ko sa'yo kasi hindi ko din nakita na naging totoo ka.
Feeling ko lang, AZ, hindi ka nagpakapakatotoo.
Dahil,
Anong sinabi mo sa akin nung nag-uusap tayo sa garden?
which
You
part?
said, kakampi kita.
Okay.
Here comes nominations. And you had to nominate me because of the outside world. Is betrayal really your thing, AZ?
No. You also voted me. You voted for River, but he's still my duo. So basically, you also voted for me. Yung tanong kasi ni Kuya, if hindi mo pa rin mag-gets up until now, tanong ni Kuya, whole journey. Bakit hanapan ko ba ng mali yung ibang tao? Wala akong mali mahanap sa kanila.
Siyempre, hindi mo pwede hanapan si Ralph. Perfect si Ralph!
Pogi?
Wait lang, bakit atik lang may nahanap ka bang mali kay Ralph?
Wala, perfect niya nga. Crush ko nga si Ralph.
Hiniwalayin mo lang ba si Larkin dahil na-inlove ka kay Ralph?
No. And na-inlove ba ako kay Ralph?
Oh, easy. Easy. Easy.
Cute na
Play VTR.
Well, di naman na ako nagulat. Actually, di ako nagulat. Alam ko naman na River na gustong-gusto mo akong ma-evict dito. Ilang beses mo akong binoto. Buti nakakain mo pa yung mga luto ko. May kinikin ka bang galit sa akin?